Harandarin dirin dandanday, harandandin dirin dandanday, harandandin dirin dandanday, harandandin dirin dandanday, harandarin dirin dandanday, harandandin dirin dandanday, harandandin dirin dandanday, harandandin dirin dandanday. Linda y bella, bella durmiente, tú eres hermosa, la más bonita, la más preciosa, linda y bella, bella durmiente, reina de todos los vegetales. Con tus hermosas cabelleras vas envolviendo todo a mi cuerpo y vas envolviendo y vas desenvolviendo y vas limpiando y vas curando todos los males de mi cuerpo. Toda saladera, toda pestilencia, toda cochinada vas limpiando y vas curando todos los males de mi cuerpo, para que quede bien limpiado y bien curado por la palabra de Jesucristo, Redentor del mundo entero.
We use fresh materials. This is the ayahuasca we use, to give you an idea. Use chalipogna as a material, which gives one of the finest qualities of ayahuasca. Fresh leaves, fresh ayahuasca, made in stainless steel pots. Very important, because the aluminium ones leak aluminium particles and these ones don't. These are more than 10 years old. Look how they are. And this is the place where we organize our ceremonies 3 times a week, on Monday, on Wednesday and on Friday. Normally we start drinking at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and we don't close the ceremony until it's necessary, so we don't stop at a specific time like 11 or 12 o'clock. Sometimes it's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, sometimes it's 7 o'clock in the morning. It depends a little bit on what happens in that night, because every ceremony is different.
Medicina